Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I'm going to share a very good story with you. And before any further ado, let's start it. Guys, the title of that interesting story is Who is Happy? Once upon a time there was a crow and he was very ugly and his color was black, and one day he went to a duck and said, "Wow, how beautiful you are! You have all white feathers." And said, "I have only black feathers. I'm so ugly." Then the duck said, "Oh, sorry, but I am not more more beautiful than the other bird. Like the most beautiful bird in this jungle is Parrot. He has two colors. One is red and one is green. I have only white color. I am not beautiful." Then the crow went to Parrot and said, I listen from the other animals. You are so beautiful, but in the jungle, I'm so ugly, and you are so beautiful." Then the parrot said, "I'm not more beautiful. There is a peacock. There is a peacock who is more beautiful than all. He has a lot of colors, various colors on his body." And then the crow flew to that peacock, and peacock was in the cage. And then the crow said to peacock, "You are so beautiful and I'm so ugly. You have various colors on your body and I don't have a lot of colors." Then the peacock said, "You are the luckiest bird in the world because you are free. I'm beautiful and I'm in the cage, and if I were not beautiful, I weren't at this cage. I were free like you." And then the crow thought that, "I'm not beautiful, but I'm lucky than the all." And then the crow became very happy. And the moral of this story is we should not become very happy. We should be happy what we are, and we shouldn't be happy what should we be. That's it. Thank you for watching.